I love cooking. Everything about cooking. From mixing the spices, chopping, finishing it off, presenting it to the customer, the expression on the face when they eat my food, the feedback, everything. I started my cooking career in my grandmother's kitchen, licking out bowls. Currently, I'm running my own business, which is Lux Caterers. Hub. Ranyaka is giving me a lot of support in my journey. They really help us a lot in achieving our goal as small business owners. Perfect, simple, rustic. Describe my food. I really want to open my own little rustic restaurant where I want to serve gourmet meals at a decent price. I would love to have that place where people come and they socialize and have a great time.